Hi, welcome to my channel. I just want to do a quick range report on the MP5 Clone with a 9-inch barrel. I don't do too many range report. I'm more of a tabletop review kind of guy, but I was really looking forward to shooting this gun, and I must say I'm quite happy with it. These are the groupings that I got from it. At 25 meters, I got 3/4 of an inch with the Bushnell TRS 25. And with the Holosun HS510C, I got 0.7 of an inch. Those are good results for me because I got cataract surgery, so yes, I'm very happy with those. Over here, I was just checking for reliability, so I wasn't particularly aiming anything in particular, and the reliability was pretty good because I only had one light strike per 100 rounds, so I'm very happy with that. Obviously, the light strike has very little to do with the gun, more to do with the FCG, and I have a solution for that. However, I did get one failed to feed issue, but I think I'm gonna contribute that to the magazine, because when I checked the magazine afterwards, I felt it was sticking a little bit, and it didn't sound like the other magazine. So that, in that case, I would say that's more to do with the magazine than to do with the gun. I only fired CCI Mini Mags 40 grain because with the GSG-16 in the past, I didn't have very much luck with the 36 grain hollow point rounds. I mean, I've tried a couple of other ones like the Federal and the Remington Golden, and I didn't have as much luck as I do with the CCI Mini Mags 40 grain. So that's why this is the only rounds I fired this time, and I must say that yes, I'm pretty happy with the MP5 Clone with the 9-inch barrel. Thank you for joining me, and please subscribe.